Hi everyone, welcome to Technical RPA. This video we are going to discuss about one of the RPA open source tool which is named as Automagica. Automagica is a open source tool which has been created by the language Python. So this is the open source, especially it's created for SAP automation. So other automation, any simple automations can be done through Automagica. And if you know the language C and C++ basics, you can easily write the code within the Python. You can see how Python will looks like. You can see here press key, wait, type. It's a simple one which is it opens notepad and type hello world. So firstly I'm pressing hotkey and I'm waiting. Instead of delay here wait and type what is the no application type, whether notepad or WordPad or else whatever it is, and press key and then again after entering in keystroke or global set keys, after that we will give some wait, it's wait, and after that type. So what you want to type, which means what is the area and what is the coverage you want to type. So what is the interval. So this is a simple one with the Python language. So and one more thing, Automagica will give you with natural language processing code as well. They are not fully developed or completed with NLP, but they are started with NLP with simple keywords like open the browser, navigate to google.com, search for RPA. So these kind of simple NLP commands they provided, so we can easily do it, and we can easily communicate LLP through the natural NLP. Instead of NLP they are mentioned as NLP. And one more thing, here we can use test for OCR within the Automagica tool. Here you can see you can download and you can set up with your local desktop in your with installation with Python. So here you can see github.com/orkudi/Automagica. This is the area you can download from GitHub. It is open source. Once you are planning to download, you can clone or download. You can click clone or download button, so it will download in your local. So before that, this is the prerequisite, which is Python 3.7 or higher version, and you have to install this Automagica in which machine you want to do the automation. Whoever starting automation with the Python, it would be very easy, because other automation tools like BP, UiPath, they started with Python language. So Python is very important to go ahead with the RPA tools. So if you want to learn some new things, then probably if you are moving ahead with RPA tools, then Python will be the good learning, and you have to make sure know some basic concepts, because Python is same as C language. So probably you can here you can see how it is working. So this is the Automagica supports Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Windows 10 it supports, but Linux and Mac OS are not officially supported. They're planning to develop their Automagica tool with some of the experts from Linux and Mac OS. This is the last update from Automagica team. So it's working. It will work with all browsers. So you can see the simple how it's working. So it will go very fast. As like as our tools, RPA tools, AABP, UAPath, because Python will work without any interruption. Maybe AA and BB and UAPath there are some memory leakage problems whenever we have real-time projects, but here if you are using Python there is no issues of memory leakage kind of problems. So because we are directly integrating with the language and with Automagica. So this is the one, and all the file manipulation, SAP automation and simple Internet Explorer automations you can do with simple Python code in Automagica. You can install, you can start with your code, how it looks like. If you want to capture OCR function, which means images to text, then probably you have to install test4 in your host machine. This is the one you have to do prerequisite apart from Automagica tool and Python 3.7. And one more thing, if you want to store Automagica code in your local or server, you have to download JIT repository. So this JIT will help you to clone and update in your latest code in your host machine. So this would be very easy and simple when you start with Python automation. And if you see what are the functions what are the scripts they allow, you can see here what are the scripts they have components and how it works. Like you get mouse, whenever we have automation tools, ABP and UAPath, they have the same options, which is keyboard and mouse allocations will be available, and monitoring, which means how CPU is running, how the bot is running. So that kind of things we can time out everything, we can disk space and disk states we can get on it, and Windows activities, delays, browser activities and application related activities, and control flows and message boxes, and Excel related activities, and Word related Excel, Word, PDF, and files and folder manipulations you can do. So this kind of image operations and Windows applications, whatever you have Windows applications, you can start with that, and email and calculation of the round, minimum, whatever max calculations. So I think that most of the features are covered in the Automagica tool. Whoever planning to start with small type of applications with Excel and browser automations, you can go with that. So Automagica is built with some of the open source tools. These are the open source tools which are given, Selenium, Tesseract, and it will support these kind of tools as well. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. So if you have any queries, you can touch with the email technical@gmail.com.